Carla in California, and I'm going to make this unicorn tropical fruity unicorn drink mix to help you and me meet my water goals for the day. It also helps if you have a pretty container, like I said before, because you'll want to drink more. So I'm going to go step by step, some easy steps. It's not rocket science, it's really easy. So I'm going to use my cherry mix, a little bit of Propel. This just adds a little bit of electrolytes. And you're going to want to have a stick that is long enough to stir this. So I started in here with putting the water in here, and another reason I like using this container, because I know if I keep filling my water bottles up and I finish this container, I know I've met my water goals for the day. So this, you can see this turned, made it like a red color. So I don't know if the cherry and the purple are really going to show up. I should have probably put those in first so you could see, but so here I'm just putting a little bit of the unicorn skinny syrup. And these skinny syrups also, and with these packets, it does not take much, so just be really careful that you don't put too much in, because it depends on how sweet you like it. I do not like it super sweet, but some of you may like it super sweet. And there it is. Now I'm going to add it to my cup with ice. Review of all the ingredients. This is what I used. They weren't even halfway full of the powder. And then a cup with some ice. And I used this cherry skinny syrup. These are all 0 sugar and 0 calories. And then I mixed it all up into this container. And now I'm going to pour it into my glass. So let's give this one a try. This is so good. You gotta try this.